Honda Civic 2004 Black Modified looks smooth drive Karachi. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are presenting a clean, well-maintained Honda Civic 2004, finished in a sleek and classy black color. This car is ideal for buyers who are looking for a reliable, stylish sedan with a comfortable drive and solid road presence. Let's start with the overall condition. The exterior has been bake painted, giving the car a fresh and glossy look that truly stands out on the road. The paint finish is smooth and even, making this Civic look much newer than its model year. The body shape is straight, and an expensive body kit has been installed, adding a sporty and aggressive touch to the car's appearance. Moving inside, the interior is 100% original and very well maintained. Seats, dashboard, and panels are in neat condition, reflecting careful use by the owner. The cabin feels comfortable and spacious, making it suitable for daily driving as well as long routes. Everything inside is clean, properly fitted, and gives a premium feel. This Honda Civic comes with a manual transmission, which is perfect for driving enthusiasts who enjoy full control and better fuel efficiency. The engine has been changed and is in pristine condition, offering smooth performance and strong response. The car starts easily, idles perfectly, and delivers a confident drive without any hesitation. One of the biggest highlights of this vehicle is its 100% soundless suspension. The suspension is solid, tight, and noise-free, providing excellent road grip and stability. Whether you are driving in the city or on highways, the ride quality is smooth and comfortable. The steering is responsive, and the car feels well balanced at all speeds. The air conditioner is fully functional and chilled, ensuring maximum comfort even in hot weather. Cooling performance is excellent, making this car ideal for Karachi's climate. This Honda Civic is ready to drive, and no work is required. There are no warning lights, no mechanical issues, and no pending expenses. Just buy it and enjoy a hassle-free driving experience. This car is best suited for serious buyers only who understand the value of a well-maintained vehicle. If you are looking for a dependable car with a clean interior, stylish exterior, and strong mechanical condition, this Civic is definitely worth considering. Round pushpin location, Johar Moor, Karachi. Money bag demand, 13,000,000 PKR. If you're interested or want more details, feel free to get in touch. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more genuine car reviews and sale videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Automobile Fire.